I am here today to announce our winners for the 1,000 subscriber Loom Away. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica, and you are at the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel. You can find me on all the socials as the Lopsided Crafter or Lopsided Crafter. We do have our own website, thelopsidedcrafter.com, and we do have a Facebook group that is linked below. I am here today to announce our winners for the 1,000 subscriber Loom Away. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day, week, month, year to subscribe to this channel, and all the people that comment. It does help us get out into the community more, and maybe there will be more loom knitters that want to follow suit and create their own type of community-based channel. But either way, here are our winners. I did the random comment picker. Our first winner is, and our second winner is. Congratulations, ladies. So what I need you to do is to reach out to me. You can email me at this email address. In the subject, put Loom Away. That way, I will see the email right away. And tell me if you had a preference over the Flexi or the KB. I am open to sending both the same item since I'm going to be sending it directly from Amazon. So what I'm going to need from you is your physical address, your mailing address, and your actual name, not your YouTube name, because I can't really address a package to your YouTube name. It would be great, but I can't. Congratulations to the winners. I am so excited. I hope you enjoy your new looms. And until next time, stay happy, stay cozy, and may all your socks find their matches. Bye.